Good day, everyone. Welcome to our presentation. Today, Group 4 is here to explore into one of the most dynamic and crucial aspects of management. This function is the pulse that keeps the team moving, the force that turns vision into reality, and the spark that ignites action within an organization. Stay with us as we unravel these vital components that connects strategy to execution, leadership to teamwork, and ideas to outcomes. As the saying goes, leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. What is direct? As a definition, directing is the managerial function of guiding and leading employees perform tasks efficiently to achieve company's objectives. Purpose is to ensure that employees know what to do, how to do it, and are motivated to do it well. All in all, so directing, it means that it's a core management function focused in leading, guiding, and motivating employees to achieve organizational goals efficiently. Its primary purpose is to ensure employees that have clear instruction in what needs to be done, how to do it effectively, and are motivated to give their best effort. By setting clear expectation and fostering supportive environment, directing helps employees understand their roles and stay committed to reaching their highest potential. This balance on guidance and motivation is crucial for driving both individual performance and overall organizational success.
Mainly, there are four directing elements which include leadership, communication, motivation, and supervision. My name is Ivy, and today I will be discussing about leadership and communication. Leadership. Leadership is the ability to influence and inspire employees to follow a common goal. And to be an effective leader, you have to possess these traits: vision, integrity, emotional intelligence, decisiveness, adaptability, and of course, your communication skills. Leadership can also be demonstrated through different styles. Autocratic, it is also known as authoritarian leaders. Democratic is also known as participative leadership. Laissez-faire is also known as allow to do or let the people do as they chose. Transformational leadership is also known as visionary type of leadership. Transactional leadership is also known as managerial leadership. Charismatic leadership. So from the word itself, charisma, they uses their charm to influence others. Bureaucratic leadership is also known as go by the book or they follow hierarchical structure. Servant leadership. So the goal of the leader is to serve. Situational leadership is also known as adapting and facilitating type of leadership. Communication. Communication is the process of exchanging information between managers and employees. And communication also ensures that goals, tasks, and expectations are understood clearly to avoid confusion. So here in the UH, where I'm currently working, we do practice our shared governance, where everyone is entitled to be heard and everyone is actively participating in the decision-making process in the institution. For the communication to be effective, we can use multiple channels like verbal, nonverbal, and also written. For verbal, it's the face-to-face conversation. So it's talking or chatting with each other. Example is your daily huddle with your supervisors in the morning. Weekly or monthly meeting with your big bosses. So that's for verbal. For nonverbal, it could be your body language, gestures, and also your appearance. For written, it could be a report, it could be a news, it could be an email, and also a blog. Practice active listening. So if someone is talking, you have to listen attentively. Why? To prevent you from missing important information. Provide regular feedback. Either it's positive or negative, everyone has the right to know and also to increase awareness. So it's also essential to keep everyone motivated and engaged in their workplace. However, there are also barriers to effective communication. Example, language differences, cultural misunderstandings, information overload, and poor listening. As a nurse working in Saudi Arabia, these barriers are commonly encountered, like language differences. Most of the Arabs are talking in Arabic, while as expats, we used to speak in English, so sometimes we're having difficulty in dealing with them. However, we get used to this language, we also learn to adapt, and we learn as well. Another key element of directing is motivation. What is motivation? This is the process of stimulating people to act in ways that achieve the desired goals. It's about creating an environment where employees want to do their best. So when the team members are motivated, they are more engaged, they are more committed and eager and willing to contribute their best effort to achieve the goals of the organization. To inspire and guide employees to do their tasks effectively and efficiently. So we have these motivation techniques. First is the recognition and reward. Example of this is the employee of the month. So this kind of program will help boost their morale by acknowledging their hard work and dedication, and also providing them um, bonus or gift cards or incentives for those employee with a high performance. Second is the career development opportunity. So this is providing them the access for the trainings, seminars, conference, and workshops for their professional growth and skills development. Third, we have empowerment and autonomy. So this is giving them the chance or the authority to make their own decision on how they can accomplish their task and freedom to manage their works. And lastly, is to set clear goals and expectations. This will help the employees to focus, prioritize their tasks, and understand how their work will contribute to the overall success of the organization. Supervision, which involves overseeing the work of subordinates, providing guidance, and ensuring that tasks are completed efficiently and effectively. It includes guiding, directing, and supporting employees in their roles and to do their job well. It involves giving instructions, providing support, checking on their progress, and offering feedback. Because of a good supervision, it helps employees perform better and develop their skills. There are three key areas in supervision. First is the role of a supervisor, which involve guiding and supporting employees to achieve their goals. Second is the techniques for effective supervision, such as setting clear expectations and providing constructive feedback. And finally, performance management and feedback, which focuses on monitoring employee performance, addressing issues, and recognizing achievements. Also, there are four key strategies or best practices in supervision. So, first is setting clear expectations to ensure that the employees understand the rules and objectives. Second is conducting regular check ins to monitor the progress and provide support for the employees. And also offering constructive feedback. This will help the employees to improve and recognize their achievements. And lastly, the implementing of performance management using SMART goals, which is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. This will enhance the accountability and the drive success. And these practices will create a positive and productive work environment.
Hello, everyone. And now I'm going to talk about the importance of directing. And one importance is that it aligns efforts with organization goals. Directing ensures that whatever activities of the employees, it must be aligned with the overall objectives of the company or the organization. And it also helps everyone to move with the same direction in achieving their set targets. Now, in our job, we have so many different programs, and each program has its own target. So, what we've done, or what we did, as what you've seen in the picture, we did the target setting first. We set our targets monthly, quarterly, and annually. And every quarter, we do the program implementation review of the different programs so that we would know if how far are we in achieving our targets. And now the second importance of directing is it boosts the employees' morale and productivity. Directing helps maintain high morale among employees by providing them the clear guidance they needed and keep them motivated. Motivated employees tends to be more productive and it will lead them to have better performance and results of their job. As what we've shared in the picture, as a community nurse together with our rural health midwife, every month we have a monthly meeting. And in our monthly meeting, we make sure that we give the enough knowledge and skills to our co-health workers so that they will be equipped enough to do their duties and responsibilities as barangay health workers and provincial health navigators. And we ensure them the importance of their hard work in achieving our targets because without them, we cannot achieve our targets. Knowing them that they are the grassroots in the community, they have the big help in achieving our targets. That is why it is very important for us leaders and managers to keep our co-workers to be motivated so that they will be productive on their job.
Hi everyone. Today the topic that I'm going to discuss is the importance of problem solving. One of that importance is facilitating problem solving and decision making. In nursing, it involves a combination of skills, strategies, and approaches. We have two types of problem solving and decision making. First, with strong direction, issues are identified and addressed quickly. In the fast-paced environment of healthcare, issues can arise unexpectedly. Effectively directing involves clear communication and leadership, enabling nurses and staff to recognize problem early. Proactive approach. Under proactive approach, we have timely intervention. When issues are identified quickly, appropriate measure can be taken to resolve them before they escalate. For example, if the nurse noticed a patient's elevated heart rate and slightly high blood pressure, it could signal complications like infection or dehydration. By promptly assessing the patient, administering fluids, or notifying physician, the nurse can prevent the situation from worsening. Second, manager guide employees through challenge and make swift decisions to keep operations running smoothly. In nursing, challenges are common whether they involve patient care, staffing, and resource allocation. Ensure effective communication. Two important types of effective communication. First, directing promotes open communication channels between management and employees. Management actively communicates with staff. It encourages feedback, clarifies expectation, and builds trust. Also helps identify issues early and promotes collaborative problem. Clear communication reduces misunderstandings and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Clear communication allows for the accurate exchange of information regarding patients' conditions, treatment plans, and medication to ensure that all team members and patients are aligned in their care.
Another importance of directing: strong leadership and teamwork. Directing fosters strong leadership, which inspires trust and respect among employees. It encourages teamwork, helping employees collaborate effectively towards achieving common goals. So, directing plays a vital role in building strong leadership and fostering teamwork. Effective leaders guide, motivate, and influence employees towards organizational objectives, inspiring trust and respect. By setting clear expectations, providing feedback, and encouraging growth, strong leadership creates a cohesive and motivated team. At the same time, directing aligns individual efforts toward common goals, promoting collaborations and effective communication among employees. This clear direction enables smoother teamwork where everyone understands their roles and support each other, ultimately boosting productivity and achieving shared objectives. So one example of this one is, if you can see in the picture, uh, it is a sign, an example of a strong leadership and teamwork that we won during HSC Champion Award last March 2024, which I proudly received. The award recognized our outstanding commitment to workplace safety and health, where I guided my colleagues in adopting best safety practices and fostering a strong safety culture. This leadership built as the team knew there will be it was a priority. The award is also highlighted the power of teamwork, our collective efforts in implementing a safety protocols and reducing risk were the key of our success. Effective communication and shared responsibility underscored how leadership and teamwork together drive safety and excellence. And conclusion: directing turns plans into action through leadership and supervision. Effective leaders adapt styles and embody vision, integrity, and adaptability. Motivation and clear communication drive team performance. Then you have to set clear goals, provide resources, and encourage continuous learning. Continuous improve directing skills for managerial success. Directing is the cornerstone of the effective management. It bridges the gap between plans and results, turning into ideas into action. Successful directors lead with clarity, inspire their team, and adapt to challenges. They set clear goals, provide essential resources, and foster continuous learning. In today's fast paced business world, the ability to direct will is more crucial than ever. It drives team performance, encourages innovation, and builds a positive work culture. By constantly improving their directing skills, the managers can guide their organization to success, no matter what the changes come their way. Ultimately, mastering the art of directing isn't just an achieving short term goals. It's about creating a resilient, high performing team that ready to tackle any challenges. As we look to the future, effective directing will remain key factor in separating the good organization from the great ones.
Thank you
Thank
for
you
Thank you
for
listening.
for
Thank
listening.
listening.
you for
Thank you
Thank
for
you
listening.
Thank
for
you
listening.
for
listening.
listening.